guys, Eric here again. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and content just like this. So today we're just going to talk about how you can really take advantage of your Facebook business page and have a call to action with it so that you don't have just an image here. So if somebody sees this here and they says work from home, learn now here, and I click on it, there's really nothing, there's no description. So you could take the time, add the description, and you could put some sort of link to a web page or an affiliate link, whatever that may be, what you want them to do. But let's go ahead and go back again. So what I want to show you is what we're going to do is take this image and we're going to change it up. And here is my new image. And it's a lot clearer, a lot more concise. Start your business in less than 24 hours. Click here. There's my website. So it's good to have your website and the bottom as well, or wherever you want to put it. We're going to save that. And then what I want to make sure to do is have it so that I can keep track of the link that I'm giving out. So if I'm giving out a link that is to a page on my sidehustleaffiliate.com, I want to know how many people are actually going there, okay? So we're going to go to bit.ly, and what I can do is I can create, set up my little campaign thing here. It's not a long URL. Actually, it's from this page here. But again, the whole idea is I want to keep track of it. So I'm going to paste this. So now you're going to have a custom bit.ly shortened there. Let's give it a different title. Let's just say $100 a day. Start here, just so I keep track of this. And we're going to save it. Ah, there it is right there. See it? So you'll see it on the left-hand side. There it is right there, $100 a day. Start here. So with this little link right there, I can go ahead, I can copy it here, and then I can go back, then I can go back to here, click on the picture, add a description. Okay, there's my special link, but I still need some text there. So I'm going to go here and grab this. So now I'm done editing. Let's close it out. Let's go back to here. There are no clicks yet. So let's just show you as an example. Somebody is on that Facebook business page. They click there. They read the information. Here's the call to action. They click on it. Let's go back to bit.ly. Now we don't see anything here, so you may want to just refresh the page. And I'm going to refresh it anyways just to show you by example. And there we go. One click, and it even says from Facebook there. So hopefully that helps out. Again, this is a great way to track the link and to know how many people are actually clicking. Very important to know, and to make sure that when you do have a Facebook business page, that you optimize it as much as possible. Hope these tips helped out for you guys. If you really want to know how to build a business, check out the description box, and I've got a new Udemy course that'll really help you get it in shape and fast and up and running in no time. Talk soon.